Welcome to another jump rope video. So you don't need jump ropes. If you've seen this before, you can just jump like this. Like this. In fact, it's a great warm-up. Go ahead and join me. So while we're jumping, modify by doing this and pushing up with your triceps, like so. This is workout 47. This is going to be a short one. We're going to say about 15 minutes or so. Just like this. In fact, I'm going to start my stopwatch right now. 15 minutes starting now. So, while we're getting warmed up, this is general information, not specific to anyone, so take responsibility for your safety and do what works for you. We're going to be alternating between jumping rope and a focus of shoulder exercises. Breathe, getting the breath involved. Jumping. Maybe a little deeper. You can get airborne if you want, or just stay on the ground. You can explode up either way. Don't let your knees trick out over your toes. Keep your spine elongated. Your mouth as far away from your butt as possible. A little wider. Breath work. Go deeper. Slow down. Okay, come up. Shake your legs out. Now when we get to our shoulder sequence, or shoulder alternations, get into a pike press, or I'll show you what you can do. So hands are on the floor or on the grass, wherever you're at. Come up on your toes like so. Your heels are off if you can. Point your butt up into the sky. Shoulders over your wrists. And put as much tension on your shoulders as you can. So instead of a plank, you're coming up, putting as much of the tension on your shoulders as you can. And hold a pike. And let the tension build. And come up on your toes, maybe the tip of your toes. Like there's the ball of your feet right here. You can come up to the tippy tops of your toes. Like this. So get your heels down. Heels up on the balls of your feet, and then on the tippy tips of your toes. So there's all kinds of ways to modify this, depending on where you're at with your fitness. Okay. And then of course you can also do handstands, which I'm going to do. As mine's going to be assisted. I'm not able to do an unassisted handstand yet. So I will use the tree back here to assist me. You can use a wall or whatever you want. Ready? So jump rope or jump starting right now. Whoops. Land as soft as you can, whether you got rope or no rope. Okay, now go into your pike or a handstand or unassisted. Like so. Almost. All right, did you hold it the whole time with me? Just a couple of breaths in the break. Active rest. We're still moving. And we're gonna start in just a couple seconds. Jump rope. Ready? Breathe. Go. Whoops. This is much harder in the grass than, say, a hardwood floor. Okay, we are 5.5 minutes in already. So now we're going to go back to your pike, hold, or handstand. Ready? Go. All right. The last few seconds, I actually did that unassisted. I couldn't believe it. Getting better. Showing up every day. That's what happens. You get better. Keep moving and breathing. Back into another jump rope set. Ready? This is really difficult in the grass compared to hardwood floor, linoleum. All right, here we go. Ready? Go. Okay. Wow. And alternating with those basically shoulder holds, I really feel it burn in the back of my shoulders when I do jumping jacks, jump rope. Normally I wouldn't feel that burn in jump rope, but I do now because of how we're coupling the shoulder with jump rope. Speaking of shoulder, let's get back to it. Okay. All right, here we go. Shoulder press or handstand. Pick your shoulder move and go. Ooh. Wow. Okay, keep moving. A couple of breaths and we'll do our jump rope again. Notice my hold times are getting a little less, so I'm wearing myself out, man. So how will I finish? I'll finish strong. I'll finish the best that I can. That's all I can do. That's all you can do. Okay, ready? Jump rope, another set. Whoops. Come back in. Okay. Ooh. Oh God, it's amazing how that burns the back of my shoulders. And I add the shoulder moves between alternating. Some huggers. Keep breathing. Back to your shoulder move. 10.5 minutes in, we're almost there. A little less than half of what we just did. Ready? Go. Shoulder move. Shoulder hold. All right. I have to come out about a second beforehand because if I collapse in that move, I fall and break my neck. So that's one tricky thing about that. Good info for you at home too. If you are doing a handstand, you want to come out just before you think you're about to fail or collapse, because if you do, go down and break your neck. And that's not what working out is about. Okay. Oops. All right, ready? Go. Keep going. Come out, back in, almost there. Okay. All right. Wow. Oh, there's my face, kind of. Move your body. Breathe. We've got another shoulder hold. Okay. Now, 2 more to go. One followed by another, okay? So extra long rest, active rest, because now we're going to be supersetting the shoulder holds. Or do your first one for as long as you can until you can't anymore. If it happens to be the duration of my 2 shoulder holds, cool. All right, let's go. Starting now. In between this one and the next one, We're just taking a couple of breaths. It's going to be quick. And I'll explain the reasoning behind that once we're all done, so don't go anywhere. All right, just about to come out. Couple of breaths. Move. All right, come back into it now and hold it for as long as you can for this last set. Go. Okay, now just do some of these. We're all done, but don't go anywhere yet. The reason why I supersetted 2 of the same move back to back with a little bit of a rest in between is to exhaust more of those muscle fibers in the shoulder for more growth. It's another strategy, a way to vary things up, to keep the body changing and growing, to minimize any kind of a frustrating plateau effect. Comment, tell me that made sense to you. If it doesn't, let me know. If it does make sense, just comment makes total sense. Also, if you like this, please click like, subscribe, hit the bell. It really helps me out a ton with the algorithms. Now, when we're all done here, keep bringing your breath down, keep moving, walking back and forth, huggers with your arms. Come down and do this. Circles, letting gravity pull the weight of your arm down, tractioning out your shoulder joint and your elbow. Get a drink of water when we're done here. Some nutrients, fruits, berries, protein from plant sources, ideally. I've been drinking a Superfoods shake after every workout for over 10 years. It's rewarded me very well. Go the other direction with your little circles. If you'd like to see that Superfood shake, let me know. Or contact the person who invited you here, and I or they will share our company replicated website so you can do your due diligence. Make sure you agree with the ingredients of the Superfood shake, and if you want to try it out, you will have our website link to make your purchase. If you'd like to be a customer or an independent representative, let me know, or the person who invited you here, and we'll go from there. Ooh, I love these kinds of moves where you let gravity do the work. They feel so good. Okay, inhale, arms up. Exhale down. We went a couple minutes over 15, big deal. You guys don't mind. What's 17 if we did 15? Extra 2 minutes. All right. Thanks, everybody. Really appreciate that. I hope you got a ton of value from this, and invite more people here who would like this kind of thing. And like, subscribe, bell. It really helps me with the algorithms. All right, bye, everyone. Mwah.